I'm going to talk about why finance sucks for you and why it's so hard for you to focus on your numbers as a tradie business owner. Now, the reality is that for many tradie business owners, they feel like there's just too many numbers, right? It's complex, they're not sure what's important, and it takes too long, it's too overwhelming, it takes too long to learn. When really, what you want is you want to narrow down to just the numbers you need. You want to focus on those things, the things that are really important that help you make really good decisions, and you just want it to be simple. And the biggest mistakes that I see the tradie business owners that we're working with right now, our Boost Your Profit program, I see the biggest mistake is that they just focus on the cash in the bank. They leave everything to the accountant, or even worse, they don't do anything at all. Just bury their head in the sand and hope that things work out. The reality is it's actually not that hard. The challenge is that when you're in that situation and it feels so difficult, it's like being blindfolded in a maze. You can't see anything and you're going by touch, and every turn you feel like you're getting into a dead end, and it's just frustrating and overwhelming. But imagine if someone comes in who's done it all before, they take the blindfold off and they lead you out. Once you've gone through and come out of that maze, it's so much easier to get through it again. You remember that forever. And that's exactly what we're doing for these guys in the Profit Growth Framework. We're helping them narrow it down so they know exactly where they focus on. And I'm going to show you that right now. And I love that term, turnover for show, profit for dough. In this example, here's your turnover, and that's for show. It's big and it's flashy, but here's your profit. And you have to put all the energy in to make all of this in the sales in order to achieve this profit. So what's really important is to understand and control what's happening here, because if we can shift something in this equation, we can make this even bigger. So the value of money is really important, because if we just focus on turnover and we don't focus on profit, there's a chance that we're not going to end up with any money at the end of the day. So what do we need to focus on? We've got to focus on just those core numbers, and we can have a little assessment here that helps you understand exactly what those numbers are in your business. So the first criteria is the value. This number that you're going to focus on, it has to be a high value. There's no point focusing on low value items. The next thing is that you must be able to influence it. If you cannot influence the number regularly, then there's no point focusing on it. The third thing is that when you influence it, it must have a high impact. If I can influence it, but not by much, that's not really a key focus. So it must have a high impact when we influence it. And once you understand those three things, you can prioritize. So you can list these down for your business, and then you can start to prioritize. 1, 2, 3. Once you prioritize these high value, high influence, high impact numbers, the things that really make a difference in your business, and you focus on them, you'll start to get huge improvements in your business. And because you've just got a few key numbers that you're focused on, it's really simple. If you want to grow your business, if you want to get off the tools and grow, you must understand the numbers, because they allow you to make much, much better decisions. I'm Brad Horan. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Do what you've always done, or do something new.